One of the things that's going to make you more effective in your social media is to make sure that you're building not just a large base of followers, but you're building a community of people that engage with you and that you engage with. That's going to get you closer to the engaged audience that you really want. It's cool to have a lot of numbers, a lot of followers, and things that make you look good. But what you really want, what you really should want out of your social media are opportunities to authentically be social with people that you have things in common with, people that want to engage with you on a deeper level. Those are the people that you really want to pursue, not just a large number that may look impressive, but in reality, you're not getting much out of it. So think community building with your social media, not simply big numbers.